Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden.
Hi, welcome to Mills Cottage. I am so glad you're here watching this video. We are in my front room / craft room / office. This room gets a lot of multi-purposes out of it. So last night we had done a wedding craft and we made bouquets for the bridesmaids. So I'm just going to clean up in here from that project and kind of just organize, declutter a little bit in here because it's a lot of stuff, and kind of do some wedding organizing. And I don't have any space to put any of the things. It is August 26th. I get married November 4th, and I'm already accumulating things and I have no space to put it. So we'll figure that out. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it's soothing to you and you get some positivity out of it. Here we go.
Flowers are great.
They do, don't they?
Dope.
They dope.
Golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
So super cool thing about this table is it was free. Somebody in my neighborhood was giving it away and I snatched it up. And so there's 2 leaves in here that come out. And normally I have it just the smallest it can go. And it's a round table. But with the crafts that we're doing, getting prepped for the wedding and stuff, last night I put the leaves back in, and we'll probably just keep it like this until after the wedding. But it's so nice. It came with these 2 chairs and this table, and it's just a perfect size for a craft table. You can make it smaller, make it medium, or this size. So always looking out on those Facebook groups. But all right. Use the headboard for something. You're just gonna have to excuse the background noise. We live here. People live here, so, and I don't have a microphone yet because my other one broke. So if you hear movie, it's just John watching TV, and we're just gonna have to get through that. So I got this tote from Walmart today because I have a lot of floral things that are already done, and I kind of want to have them in a place for storage until the wedding, and it's just easier to take a tote of florals than trying to keep like 5,000 boxes together. Let's see, I don't even know if this is going to work, but we're going to try. So, some of these aren't. Okay, let's see. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna have to play some Tetris with this. That might work better. Here. The thing is, though, I don't know if the lid will fit on it. Probably not, huh? So I made these baby spread flower crowns for our flower girls. So this will go in there. These are the cutest baskets ever. I got this one. I got 2 of them on Amazon for $25, I think. And then I just added this olive ribbon. They're so cute. And then for the petals, I got a mix of like olive green, lime green, and white petals. They come like plastically, there's like a plastic lining in here, so you could use them as pots later on, which I probably will do. So, and in this basket, I actually found a Goodwill in Oklahoma and added a bow to it. So added this olive bow to it. So I need to get one more bigger basket because we have 4 girls. So there's that. Got the petals. Okay, let's see if these will fit back in here. Here's the tote. We have all the bridesmaids bouquets. We have the girls' flower crowns, petals, and baskets. And I'm trying to not pack a lot in here because I don't want them to get too smushed. But I'm going to put the lid on there and label it, and we'll be done with that.
Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon.
The question is now, where the heck am I gonna put this thing? I think I might have to put it in the attic. I think that's where I'm gonna put it. To the walk-in closet. The walk-in attic. Okay. It might be. Just put it on there and put it on there. Oi. Perfect. Perfect. Now that that's done, I'm going to try to do all my wedding decor like that. Put it in a tote and label it. And that way you can just take totes to the church and be done with it. So let me show you guys the rest. Okay, so I have this hodgepodge of random wedding things that I need to put together in a box. I have this crate, which is what I was keeping the flower girl stuff in. Okay, so I'm going to just consolidate the current wedding decor that I have gathered and not yet used or put together in one spot. And then I'm going to probably get the Swiffer and dust in here. And then we'll see. But let's do this wedding stuff first.
I follow the golden, golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden. I follow only golden.
These are a COVID test, not pregnancy test. Okay, so I think this is as good as it's gonna get right now. And I don't know where to put it. Maybe there's spots in here. Okay, one of the really cool things about my family is we send postcards to each other. And I really, like when we go on a trip or we go on a vacation or like anywhere new, we send a postcard. So this is my collection of postcards so far. And I have a few others that I haven't been able to sort them out. So I wanted to be able to not just like throw them away or put them in a scrapbook or something like that. So I actually decided to just pull a bunch of corner and put them on a ring thing that you just pop open. And in that way people can look at them, I can look at them, and that way it's a little bit more easy to display them like this. This one's made out of wood, so I guess I'm just gonna put it underneath the other one. So there we go, they're all hanging on there. Pretty cool. Okay, I have this flower press here that I want to check on. I think I have some things in here. Okay, let's see what we got. So pretty. Isn't that cool? Look at my dried flowers.
Oh.
Look at this one.
How long have you been in there?
I don't know. I kind of forget it. Oh, this one's kind of woppy. It's like, oh, look at this one. I really need some like tweezers or something.
Nice. Oh, looks good.
Break it.
It's super dry and brittle.
This one's no good.
Doesn't know good. Why don't those just fall apart?
Some of these work. These big old zinnias, they were kind of floppy because the middles were big. Looks like a seaweed or something, an alien or something. Ooh.
Oh, that one turned out good.
Look at this, how pretty. This one, though, not so much. That one, not so much. So this one looks like not bad, not bad, not bad. These gumfrinas, they're so pretty. So drying flowers is so fun, and it's such a cool thing to do and craft and decorate with. And I use, a lot of my friends are like, oh, that's cool, but what do you do with this? You can make art with it. You can do all kinds of stuff with this. But one of my friends was like, show me how to do it. The thing with flowers is the middle. If you have a really thick, big middle and you squish it down, it may not look perfect. Like that's a good example. This is a pretty good one though, but like this one. This one did not come out perfectly round because the middle of the flower was really, really thick. So you can press them however you want. You can use really big books. I know John made me this specific press. You can buy them off Amazon. There's all different types of ways, but how I do it is I just cut the flowers I want, cut the, leaves off if you don't want any leaves, different heights or whatever. And then you're gonna take your parchment paper and lay it down, arrange 1 to 2 stems depending on the size, and put another piece of parchment on top of that, put a cardboard cutout on top of that, and then just repeat, and then you're going to tighten it as tight as it can go and forget about it. Honestly, that's the best way I can do. That's the best information I can give you, is just forget about it. Now, if you really don't want to forget, if you're actually trying to make something, I give it a week, check on it, see how much it is, how dry it is. But honestly, it's probably going to be at minimum 2 weeks to really get the dried pressed look. You're going to want to do more than you think you need, because some of them may mold. Some of them may not turn out the way you need them to turn out. So do way more than you think you need if you're doing a specific project. I just like to press my flowers as I grow them in my garden, and that way I just have some throughout the year, and that way I can do different projects. This is a Rebekah this is my first Rebekah that I pressed, and I absolutely love that. That is the sweetest little thing I've ever seen. So I think I'm gonna go cut some more and do that, but you can do them. So different ways you can press, like the profile is if you're gonna do a flat lay. So this means is you take the flower and this is my parchment paper. This is my parchment paper, and you flat lay the flower. Another way you can do it is if your flower looks like this, and you're not gonna do it this way, obviously, but you're gonna flat the whole stem down that way. You do it that way. So, yeah, I think it's just so fun and easy, and it's pretty cool and special and a unique way to decorate your stuff. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed a little calming, decluttering, cleaning up, tidying it up, sneak peek into my wedding stuff. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'm so glad you stopped by today. Bye-bye.